So I'm going to be putting this plastic up here. It's clear plastic. Just to finish up the winterization on here. I have the half right here and the full side on the other side. Because there's a tropical storm coming and it's also supposed to be very cold, very windy. So I'm just gonna cover this up, cover up there. And while I'm doing that, I'll let the girls out. Come on, girls. So, let's see how many eggs we got today. Excuse me, Sonny. Hey, Flopsy. Hey, Augie. Hey, Ginger. Alright, let's see how many eggs we got today. So the egg count today is 4. And if anyone wants to know why I say 4, not 5, this one right there, that is a ceramic fake egg. I just had that in there. Originally, I had it in there for Squawks because when I first got her, she was eating the eggs. So if you want to break one of your hens' bad habit of eating eggs, you give them a ceramic egg. They'll try to peck at it and they will not break. They'll not break it, so that will break their habit. So, all right, let's get the rest of this winter covering on here. I will show you the finished product once I'm all done. Hey, girls. It's just nice that they're all together, not fighting, not plucking any feathers out. Flopsy's finally getting her tail, as you can see. Alright, let's get to it.